What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Trey, where we break down keyboards and gaming gear that don't just look amazing on your desk, but actually improve the way you game, work, and type every single day. And today we've got a keyboard that has been getting a ton of attention in the mechanical keyboard community. If you're looking for something compact, customizable, wireless, and packed with premium features without going overboard on price, then you're going to want to stick around. Because today we're talking about the AJAZZ AK820 Pro. Before we jump into it, quick reminder, the product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helps you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff gaming and desk setup reviews, and let's get into why the AJAZZ AK820 Pro is becoming such a popular choice right now. Right away, the first thing you notice about the AJAZZ AK820 Pro is the design. This keyboard uses a 75% layout, which gives you a clean and compact setup while still keeping important keys accessible. You save desk space, your setup looks cleaner, and you still get a functional layout for gaming, productivity, and everyday use. The gray colorway combined with the modern keycap design gives the keyboard a premium aesthetic that looks great in almost any setup. Whether you're building a gaming station, office desk, or minimalist workspace, the AJAZZ AK820 Pro fits right in. But this keyboard isn't just about looks. One of the standout features here is the built-in TFT smart display and control knob. This instantly makes the keyboard feel more premium and interactive. The smart display adds a unique visual element to the setup, while the multifunction knob gives you fast access to controls like volume and other adjustments without interrupting what you're doing. It's one of those features that seems small at first, but once you use it, it becomes hard to go back. The AJAZZ AK820 Pro also uses a gasket-mounted structure, which is a huge deal for keyboard enthusiasts. This mounting style helps create a softer, more cushioned typing experience by reducing harsh vibrations and improving overall typing feel. The result is smoother keystrokes, a cleaner sound profile, and a more comfortable experience during long gaming or typing sessions. Now let's talk about connectivity, because flexibility is one of the biggest strengths of this keyboard. The AJAZZ AK820 Pro supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connectivity. That means you can switch between devices and connection types depending on your setup and preferences. Want low latency wireless gaming? Use the 2.4 GHz connection. Want to pair it with a tablet or laptop through Bluetooth? Easy. Prefer a direct wired setup for maximum stability? USB-C has you covered. This kind of versatility makes the keyboard perfect for users who move between gaming, office work, and portable setups throughout the day. Another major feature is that the keyboard is hot-swappable, which means you can replace switches without soldering. For keyboard enthusiasts, this is huge. It gives users the freedom to experiment with different switch types and customize the typing experience exactly the way they want. Whether you prefer smoother, quieter, or more tactile switches later on, the keyboard is designed to evolve with your preferences. This version comes with flying fish switches, delivering a smooth mechanical feel that works great for both gaming and everyday typing. Key presses feel responsive, fast, and satisfying, helping create a more enjoyable overall experience. And speaking of experience, the keyboard includes RGB backlighting, which instantly adds personality to your setup. Whether you like subtle lighting or vibrant RGB effects, the AJAZZ AK820 Pro gives your desk a modern gaming aesthetic while also improving visibility in darker environments. The customizable display keys and ergonomic design make the keyboard feel more user-focused overall. It's designed not just for performance, but also for comfort and personalization. Long gaming sessions, office work, content creation, or studying, the keyboard adapts well to all of it. The included volume roller knob is another feature that improves daily usability. Instead of reaching for software controls or adjusting audio through your PC, you can make quick volume adjustments directly from the keyboard. It's fast, simple, and genuinely convenient. Compatibility is broad as well. The AJAZZ AK820 Pro works with laptops, PCs, and tablets, making it easy to use across multiple devices. Whether you're gaming at your desktop, working from a laptop, or connecting to a portable setup, the keyboard integrates smoothly into different workflows. Despite packing so many features, the keyboard still maintains a relatively compact footprint, making it easier to carry and reposition compared to larger full-size keyboards. That portability makes it ideal for users who want performance without sacrificing desk space. Everything about the AJAZZ AK820 Pro feels focused on customization, flexibility, and premium typing comfort. From the gasket-mounted construction and hot-swappable switches to the TFT display, wireless support, and RGB lighting, this keyboard combines enthusiast-level features into one clean package. So when you put it all together, the AJAZZ AK820 Pro delivers a compact 75% layout, TFT smart display, multifunction control knob, gasket-mounted design, hot-swappable switches, flying fish mechanical switches, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless support, USB-C wired connectivity, RGB backlighting, ergonomic comfort, customizable controls, and multi-device compatibility, all packed into a stylish mechanical keyboard designed for gaming, work, and everyday use. This is for users who want more than just a basic keyboard. It's for gamers, creators, students, office users, and keyboard enthusiasts who care about feel, functionality, aesthetics, and flexibility. Whether you're upgrading your desk setup or building your first custom-style keyboard experience, the AJAZZ AK820 Pro brings a lot to the table. If you're thinking about upgrading your keyboard setup, this is absolutely worth checking out. The link is in the description below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe for more honest gaming gear and desk setup reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose wireless convenience or wired performance for your main keyboard setup? Catch you in the next one. Stay creative, stay clicky.